In this video, I'm going to show you how to write an email reply, maybe to an email that you have received using Google Docs or Gemini in Docs. But to start, let's say I'm on my Docs in here, and by default, you see that we have the Gemini feature done there. Okay, so you have match doc style, or you can click in here to add sources from Drive or from an email if you have Unity. So let's say I want to write. Okay, so I missed a meeting with my boss and I'm going to write an email to him apologizing and politely. Okay, so let's say you got enter. By default, Gemini is going to directly write the email for you, politely collecting information that you have and then going to write the email for. If you have connected your email to this particular account, it is going to write the email and then go to your account and send it if you want. So you can see email draft for meeting rescheduling. You can see it in here. Option 1, formal and professional recommended. Sincere apologies, missed meeting regarding Kanji Dam Hydro Power Plant model. There, you just write the person's name. Please accept my sincere apology and everything. You can see the details. Okay, at the end, you put all my details. Option 2 is the progress oriented, which is highlighted project momentum. You scheduling updates on Kanji model and innovation hub. So you can see option 3 is short and direct. I'd like to offer my apologies for missing this meeting, our meeting today regarding Kanji, and this remains my top priority and I'm anxious to move forward. And if you say I'm available at your earliest convenience and can generate a Unity link as soon as you suggest a time. Okay, so this is it. So all you need, if you have anyone that is interested in, for example, this one, you can just copy it, go to your email and go to inbox and just send it. And just paste it in here, and then you can just put the name, the person's names, for example, Nikudi. Then you can copy this subject and paste it in here, and then you can just write. Once you write and then send, everything is done. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.